Do you remember once upon a time I bought this crash damage and that crash damage? Right, we need to fix these ASAP like you wouldn't believe. Mrs said basically she's going to call the scrap man and get him to come and collect it. So we need to get rid of this as soon as possible, but not to the scrap man. So without further ado, let's get this car fixed and then we can jump onto that bad boy. So it's currently the 21st of May, so this, we've got to go do some things to this, and which you'll see in this video. But this one, I've got roughly 9 days to get this car MOT fixed and off this drive. Because believe it or not, it has been sitting on the drive for about 14 months now, which is disgusting. Like, I'm genuinely so annoyed with myself that I've got this far. So without further ado, we've got to move this Tekka and let's get some stuff done to it, so let's go! So I actually put this on Facebook for sale. All it needs really is some exhaust tips and the wheels refurbed, and I put it on and I was like, my mate went, imagine wearing a nice suit and you've got crap trainers on. When you look at a car, if a car's got battered wheels, it just looks that bit worse. So big up Josh if you're watching, we're going to get the wheels refurbed today. So if you're in Birmingham, these is probably one of the most used places. I've been to a couple of places to ask and they want £400, £500, £600 for a wheel refurb, like, and I'm like, no, we ain't doing that. So I'm taking you along with us today to this place, and we're going to try and get quite a few things done. So this might take a couple of days as video and editing, but hopefully we're going to get a bit more stuff done in the video. So let's take you on, let's jack the car up, get the wheels off, axle stands, and let's go. Like over the period of time since I've been doing YouTube, I've just done it, but I haven't fully took advantage of all the aspects of it. So if you see any items or products or anything like that, I am going to link it in the description. Hopefully if any money is generated, pump straight back into the channel, cars, tools, all that kind of stuff. So if you buy anything or click anything, you supported me, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart because it helps me out. So yeah, if you see anything like some stuff like there might not actually be any affiliate links or anything, and I don't care, because it's just, if I recommend it, yeah, it's going to be the absolute bollocks. So yeah, that's obviously my opinion. Some people might not like certain stuff that I like, but if I recommend it, then I'm saying I have my certified stamp that I think it's good. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So like Milwaukee drills and stuff like that, and if you see any of that, I'll link it in the description. Yeah, you can't knock these, man. These are game changers. So if I ever have a car that's in my capabilities, either the new owner will be told about it and it will be dropped in the price, or I'll get it fixed. And on this case, I kind of want to get it fixed. So I've been driving it recently and I've noticed I'm not going to be able to replicate it because obviously the car's not moving, but I'm getting like a really weird like crunching noise when it's locked. So if it's locked and going forwards or backwards, it's like, it kind of sounded like to me like dog bone mount. But since I've took the wheel off, you can hear ever so slightly there is a little up and down movement, which that could be the noise that we're hearing. Right, so we have just arrived at City Wheel Refurbishment, and honestly they are top people at thingy. So we've got the tyre there, wheels have just been offloaded in, and I'm going to show you the colours. I don't actually know what colour I'm going to get yet, so yeah, let's see what kind of madness they got in there. So let's go. So these are the selection of wheels that we can choose from, what colours should I say. So I don't know, so I'm either thinking silver with a bit of flecking. They're nice, like the gunmetal grey. This chrome's also quite nice, chromey colour. Or do we go like a satin black, gloss? What do you think? What colour do we go? then, so we've just picked up the wheels from City Powder Coaters, and I must say they look absolutely sensational. So let's show you, and let's show you what colour we've gone for. So let's go. You ain't gonna believe this. Someone's actually coming to view it. So it's been like an hour or two since, and someone's coming to view this. So this could be. I've literally put these wheels on just, and this could be the final send off. I am a bit sad because most of the cars that I own I've genuinely wanted prior, and this has been special, man. This has been electric. If you want a fun hot hatch 4-wheel drive manual 400 brake, this is your whiff. So yeah, let's potentially do a parting gift of this vehicle, and let's go. Right, so as you can tell, this is the start of a new dawn. So the Audi officially at 8:34 sold. So the car's gone. The guy was happy with it. Took him for a spin in it, loved it. So the car's officially sold, and what next? So that is the question. Comment down below. You tell me what next. The only thing is, I'm enjoying the smash damage rebuild series and stuff, and I'm definitely going to be more strategic with what we do now, because none of this long thing now. If something comes in, it's coming out in and out straight away. But Subaru still is doing, which we can sort that out. But the only thing is, the fees, the Copart fees are a joke, man. Like, I don't want to buy 2 cars off Copart and then be like, yeah, it's cost me like £1,000 in fees. So just my budget is getting smaller and smaller with the fees, because the profit margin in the cars are just, it doesn't seem like there's no profit, the loss in that. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one. I know it was quite small. I was expecting to do a lot more, to be honest, but he messaged me last night. I was like, yeah, I want to come see it. So as you see, she's gone. So yeah, speak to you soon. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next, and I'll take it into consideration and we'll get something done. So peace.